Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. This is another real estate tip on helping people buy their homes and little steps they could do first. And I did a video before about their credit and different stuff like that. So this is a video on my opinions and my advice on fixing up your credit to make sure you do everything in the beginning before you start looking for a home. Now, you have to go by your income, your job, different stuff like that, what you're comfortable with, stuff like that. Now, it doesn't matter where you work, it doesn't matter what you do. As long as you save money, you know how to use your money, you maintain your money, whatever the shit, the shit is. The thing is, as a real estate agent, I help people do step by step and give people advice, especially friends of mine, to clean your credit up. Now, there's 3 credit bureaus. There's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So what you do first is, for low-income people or people that applied for credit and like a credit card or something and they got denied, you're eligible to get a free credit report in the mail. So all you have to do is call the numbers, the 800 numbers. You just Google it, find the information, and send off for it. If you want to mail it, that's fine. Maybe like in a week, maybe a couple days afterwards, you will get it in the mail. You'll get all your credit reports. Now what you do is you look at your credit reports and make sure that nothing is yours. If you see anything strange or anything that's not yours at all, or you don't, you never did that bill or whatever it is, you contact the company. They will turn around and investigate it. Once they find out it's not yours, they will delete it off your file, which will clean up your credit even more. Okay, it will help out your record. Some people don't do anything and it just sits there, and then when something happens, they pull up all the stuff and they get denied, and like, it's just too much hassle. So always check your credit reports and clean them up. Now, if you do have something and it's like a small bill, just contact the place, make sure you have the account number, the address, the correct everything, and then mail off the money order or your check. Make sure it's completely paid off. Once they receive the money, it will clear off your credit. So you just work on that little by little. Some people have so much credit, like bad debt and credit cards and all this crazy stuff, they don't do anything. You could do credit counseling, which they put everything all together in one lump sum, give us a small balance. It might be cheap and whatever, but at least you're paying it. At least you're trying. Now this is for people that don't have a lot of money or low income, or they're trying to get on their feet and they have so many things that they're paying that they only have a certain amount left and they still want to fix their credit. Make sure you do that. Okay? Make sure you do that. So what you do is make sure you pay everything off little by little. It might be slow, and then a lot of banks will work with you if you've been doing it more than a year and they see you've been paying on time every month. Some people will give you a loan, some people won't. So it depends on what it is, because the banks, they want to be the first lien on your home. That's how it is. They don't want to see anything on there. So it's always good to have clean credit. Clean credit, a score past 700, 800, 900 is good. Keep it extremely clean. Treat it like gold. That's what I learned. They always tell you treat it like gold. Always save all your money. Now, if you have regular cash and you're like going to a store, dollar store, whatever, and you break change, always save all that change up. All that change piles up. You can wrap them up, take them back to the bank, and get more money. Also, if you get income tax money, always save everything. Like if you get a good paycheck, use your money for that. Learn how to use it right. Pay everything off, your bills. Make sure you have food and the important things. And then save all that money. So you do it for years and years and years. You will have a lot of money in the bank. Also, real estate, agents, we get commission. So if you get commissions, save all that money. Okay? Save it all. You'll get rich real quick. Also, just learn how to use your money. If you know you really don't need anything, don't even buy anything. And if you do need something, go and buy it the cheapest way you can, and that's it. And another thing for saving money is, for some people, like you know, like they have a habit of spending and they get tempted, always keep it in your mind. Just make pretend you don't have any money. Make pretend like, you know, you're just relaxing at home and doing nothing. Don't even think about spending. Then you'll be good. Also, you can freeze your money in the bank or put it in a CD where you can't touch it, and the bank will freeze it for like a year, maybe 2 years, and you can just constantly keep saving, and you can't touch it. So when something happens after the year or two is up, you could go back into your account and then get some money out. So there's so many different things on saving money and keeping your credit clean. Do not mess with credit cards. Do not get any personal loans and all this crazy stuff, because it's just going to get you into the hole. Do not mess with credit cards, because you're just really paying the interest. You're not really paying what you owe. It takes forever to pay something off. It's just ridiculous. Credit card companies are getting rich. You're always broke and in the hole. A lot of people struggle for that. And some people have money, they have a good job, they work or whatever, and they're still constantly getting credit cards. Like, why do you need a credit card when you already have money? So you're just paying all this stuff back, and it's just ridiculous. I don't mess with any credit cards ever. I don't mess with any type of loans, no title loans, no anything. The only type of loan I have is a mortgage. Okay? Mortgage is a piece of paper, but like I said, a loan is from a bank for your home. So that's the only major loan you should have if you have a home. So anyway, if you have any questions, you have any you know, tips or anything, you have any questions, or you have a situation that you're having a problem with and you want to learn how to clean your credit, or you're in the process of, you want to buy a home but you're not ready, and you know, all types of situations you're going through, any type of questions at all, give me a question below. I will answer your questions. I will get back to you. I will give you advice and tips, and I can show you step by step if you're trying to buy your own home. It's very, very easy. I buy homes all the time. I sell homes all the time. I know all the tips and tricks behind it. It's actually very, very easy. A lot of people say it's hard, but it's not. As long as you have clean, good credit, you have money, you could basically do it all. It's very, very easy for me. Some people can't, you know, but I try to show them what to do, so that way everything is all good. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. There's so many different things out there. I'm going to be doing more real estate videos soon coming up. But I'm just doing the very slow steps first on helping people buy their first home, or if they don't know how to buy a home. So the very first important thing is your credit. Okay? You got to make sure you have clean, good credit. Because that's what the real estate people and the banks are going to be looking for, is clean, good credit. And then later, I'll show you how to get pre-approved, how to get your mortgages and all that good stuff, and then show you step by step how to buy your own home for the first time, how to sell a home. There's so many different real estate things out there. There's timeshares, you could buy land, there's different types of titles, there's different types of you know, all kinds of situations people don't even know about in real estate. So I'm just doing the easy steps first, which is your credit. Make sure you have clean credit, how to use your money, or if you have money problems, or there's so many different things to do, and everybody has their own situations that they're going through or struggling with, or some people make good income, but they don't know how to use the money, or they don't know how to stretch money. I showed one woman, one of my friends, how to get $50,000 in 5 years, cash, saved up real quick. I showed her how to buy her first home. She did it really, really quickly. Bought her first home. She's very happy and very easy to do. So I'm going to do that video coming up soon. And anyway, if you have any ideas, you have any questions, if you're struggling with something, I can help you get out of it easy. And the secret tip is, just like Donald Trump will say, use your money to get more money. It's very easy. Me and him think alike. We talk alike. And when it comes to real estate and being smart with money, me and him are exactly the same. So, as a real estate agent, I'm letting you guys know how to do your credit, how to clean it up. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like these little talk videos, give me a thumbs up. And I will be discussing more stuff later on in case you need help or anything. And it depends on what state you live in and all that stuff. It doesn't really matter where you live, what country you live in. even if you're out of the United States. Usually real estate is the same with certain things, you know, to get a loan and different stuff like that. So it's basically easy for everything, for everybody. It's actually easier when you own a home to sell it and different stuff like that than actually buy. But it's very easy once you know the ropes. And yeah, just keep your credit clean. Don't mess with anything. And just be smart with your money. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know. And I will get back to y'all guys later. Happy house hunting. Happy, you know, cleaning up your credit and whatever. And let me know if you did do something like that. Let me know if you did clean up your credit. Let me know if you are in the process of cleaning your credit and, you know, your situation. Maybe I can help you and give you more advice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.